This is Jiangsu Hewbonn Tissue Factory. Our factories is located in Weifang City, Qingdao Port, Shandong Province, China. We have 40 years paper manufacturing experiences. Welcome to visit our factory always. We produce OEM, ODM toilet paper, facial tissue, towel paper, napkins, jumbo rolls. You can customize tissue material, sizes, sheets number, ply number, packages. About pulp material. We use virgin wood pulp, bamboo pulp, recycled wood pulp, mixed pulp wood pulp, sugarcane pulp series. Let us introduce these products and materials one by one. Toilet paper. Virgin wood pulp, bamboo pulp, recycled wood pulp, mixed pulp wood pulp, sugarcane pulp series. Like 10*10 cm, 350 sheets 3-ply bamboo roll, load 50,000 rolls per 40 HQ. JRT Jumbo Toilet Roll. Virgin wood pulp, bamboo pulp, recycled wood pulp, mixed pulp wood pulp. Like 9 cm height 300 meters, 2-ply, load 15,000 rolls per 40 HQ. Facial tissue. Only produce virgin wood pulp. Bag pack and box pack facial tissue. Super soft and super bulky quality both are available to produce. Like this super soft quality pack, 20*19 cm, 200 sheets 2-ply, 50 packs per big bag, can load about 50,000 packs per 40 HQ. Like this 20*19 cm, 200 sheets 2-ply box facial tissue, load about 35,000 boxes per 40 HQ. Kitchen towel paper. Virgin wood pulp and bamboo pulp kitchen towel. Very good water and oil absorption and excellent strength. Like this 28*20 cm, 120 sheets, load about 25,000 rolls per 40 HQ. Hand towel roll. Only produce virgin wood pulp material. Center feed, auto cut towel, interfolded towel, V-fold, N-fold, both are available to produce. Very good water absorption and excellent strength quality. We accept OEM towel specs, packing. Like this 20 cm height 300 meters 1-ply 38 GSM, can load about 8,000 rolls per 40 HQ. Interfolded hand towel. Only produce virgin wood pulp material. Excellent water absorption strength quality. 200 sheets, can load about 25,000 packs per 40 HQ. Napkins. Lunch and dinner napkins, we produce all. Like this 1/4 folded. 30*30 cm, 200 sheets, 1-ply, can load 40,000 packs per 40 HQ. These are all of what we can produce. We ship to many countries and produce many famous brands there. Please contact us if you are interested.